student, I don't know whom to opt for and which college to go for. Ops Gynae. Because Ops Gynae is a new field. Still we don't know about the physiotherapy, because whenever we are talking, we talk about physiotherapy, as we all say, it's all about massage, it's about something oils they are taking, it's something about heat therapy, but no, it's beyond that. Now there are different fields are there. Like I'm an Ops Gynae working physiotherapist. So now start with please can you have a slide? So my topic for today is labor and types of childbirth, because I think
it's not reflecting.
इसकी वजह से आपका जो चेयर है वो ले रहे हैं ज़्यादा जो योगा थेरेपिस्ट हैं, ठीक है, योगा पर्सन दे आर कमिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड दे आर सेइंग ओके ये तो हम भी कर सकते हैं, व्हाट्स लाइक यूनिक अबाउट द फिजियोथेरेपी. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर प्रॉपर okay nice please. So I'm also founder of Hormonal Ring Group, and this is our vision to recover, restore and rehab women silent suffering health. Just next. Then next. Yeah, so this is about me. I've done my MPT in Ops Gynae, and I'm also recently I become a member of American Physiotherapy Association Pelvic Health Society just 2 days back. So and I'm just coming here and telling you all it's a great huge happiness to me. This book is also read by many of gynae. Okay, next slide. This is my second book. It's all about periods. So it also carry all the data about the period cycle, and if it is abnormal, if you got PCOS, what you should do as a woman. And the best part about this book is my gift to every woman around the globe, because this book cost ₹99 only. Next slide. Okay, physiotherapy is not limited. Physiotherapy is limitless. मैं तो cesarean ले लूँगी. Doctor, can I take the cesarean? Myself as a patient like used to ask me in OPD. Why? Why you want to? Because it's too much painful. मेरा figure खराब हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. I'm not saying कि cesarean is bad. I'm just saying कि what's wrong with the normal one. So like early signs and onset of labor, ऐसा क्या रहेगा कि पता चलेगा women को, क्योंकि अक्सर जो like early primary sign जो पहली मदर है उनको पता ही नहीं चलता है. क्या रहेगा? Definitely I'm full of nausea, vomiting. Next slide. Vomit, nausea, and everything. I'm fatigued. I don't want to eat anything. As a pregnant woman. Next slide. And in the second trimester, it's more like more changes now in the baby. It's going to be the fetus, heartbeat is going on, and every little changes is going on. Now your started feelings the women breast is burdened, and your fat changes is going on inside the body. You will have a normal positive hormone. You will link up to that motherhood. Okay, now she is going to be a mother. Her baby inside the womb, and most of changes now going on. At the end of 6 months, the mother is having that breast changes also. That's why, if in any case, in pre-childbirth, she can go for after 6 months, she can go for that breastfeeding too, if she want. Okay, next slide. Third trimester. So now the equal changes in the mother and the child. So what we have to go now, okay, now she is full of cloud 9. Within some days she is going to get her baby. But this is also the time she's okay. It's like okay. For example, we are waiting in a queue and it's never.
So, ఎంత ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఉండేది కదా మేడం ని, లిటరల్లీ వెరీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్.